Hello everyone, my name is Jim Walker, and today, no, I'm not going to talk about Hoyt. I'm going to put that aside. I'm going to talk about something fun. Unboxing of something I got from Border Archery in the United Kingdom, I believe, Scotland. So I've got my favorite unboxing knife here, and we're going to cut this open. See what we got. All right, limb 1, limb 2, and another prize. Is there a prize in here? Oh yeah. Nice 60-inch string from Scotland, and also a strap. I'm guessing that's a stringer. All right, box away. Let's see what we got here. Stringer, put aside. All right, first look at the new limbs. All right, here we go. These are Hex 6.6 H, 39 pounds from Border Archery, Scotland. All right, see if you can see that in there somewhere, maybe, hopefully. Add an edit. All right, so let's try this. Another one. Let's see what we have. Oh, beauties. Look at the curve on that. Look at the curve. Oh, those are going to be fun to shoot. All right, put the string aside. All right, I'm all excited. We got 2 limbs from Border Archery, and you know what we're going to do? We're going to put them onto a Hoyt Satori riser. That's what this is here for. Pop it out. And here we go. Beautiful Hoyt Satori riser, just waiting to have some new limbs added. Looks like everything's nice. Oh, a little adjustment on this. Anyway, in theory, I should be able to, let's see, what times, top is top. Okay, top is top, bottom is bottom. All right. Put it in there, nice and tight. Sid over at Border Archery mentioned that they had done these special so that they would fit nicely tight into the Hoyt riser. So I appreciate that, and I see they are. Well, it's not even going to fall out. I pull them. It's not going anywhere. Oh yeah, look at those beauties. Oh yeah. Now, what I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and phase out for a moment while I put the string on. So here I go. Okay, hey everyone. Okay, we have 2 bows here. One is the Satori with the Hex 6.6 limbs, and the other is the my Hoyt Buffalo. Now we're going to do some shooting on both of these on my little range here and see how they sound. So, oh, a little side note on the Satori Hex 6.6 setup. Well, it turns out that the string that I was given was a little too short. It was a 60-inch, and it looks like it actually needs closer to a 61 or 62. Anyway, for those of you who are looking at getting the Hex limbs, maybe look at a slightly longer string. All right, here we go. Okay, obviously needs a little tuning. It's a little noisy. And then next we're going to do the Hoyt Buffalo. Oh, by the way, that noise that you heard earlier, that was one of the knocks. It actually broke, so I'm not exactly sure. Maybe the knock slipped on the string. I'm not sure. Here we go, Hoyt Buffalo. Okay, so as you probably noticed, a little bit more of a noise on this. I don't have any noise dampening gadgets on here. I would probably add a little weight along the front to stabilize it a bit more, and maybe go with some dampeners on the limbs, etc. But otherwise it feels real good. Now the difference between the two is that when you're shooting the standard recurve limb, you will get this consistent draw. It actually starts out heavy and it pretty much stays heavy all the way to the back. Now what's nice about the hex limbs, is I'm feeling it already, is it starts a little heavy at the beginning, but as you pull back, here's the beginning, and as you pull back, right around here, it starts to loosen up and it feels actually a little bit soft. So it feels like I can hold it for longer on the target. The Hoyt Buffalo, on the other hand, start out, pull it back, it's tight, 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 extra tight right here. It's not stacking, but it's still much heavier to hold. So I can see the big benefit of the hex limbs. You pull it into position, it's a little bit more steady, your sight picture's a little bit less wobbly. Anyway, good stuff. Now I'm going to move the camera angle to the side so you can actually see the shooting from the side. Okay, so what we have here is again, the Hoyt Satori with the Hex6.6 limbs. And we're going to shoot a few of these downrange and we'll see how she sounds. Now this is an 8-inch brace height, by the way. Wow, it really feels good on the back end. I can just hold that thing all day. Sorry, it's getting a bit windy here, so we've got to put 2 more to go. Alright, so there you go. Nice little demonstration. I still need to work on the string. I think the brace height may be even a little bit lower, maybe even to 7 3/4. Like I said, it's feeling good so far, so I'm looking forward to bringing this down to the range. With that, catch you later.